hate it snow. It's a blizzard of fun.
Holy crap! What the? I thought he was joking. Oh my god! What? Driving home in the snow.
What's that? God, this sucks. Awesome.
There's Brad. We have proof, Brad, where you're not just out here doing this like a little bit ago. And it was fine. Look what you guys did. You brought in the force, man. May the force be it's with you. Oh my god. That one snowflake is going to cover the lens of this thing. Holy crap.
Okay, that was it for me.
Wow.
The flakes are huge.
Yep.
Oh, it's crazy.